you probably got the most important wicket of the game today when you had Steve Smith caught behind. Can you just tell us what was the mindset when you started bowling that over, and what were you actually planning as you got on that particular ball? And if you could also tell us how proud is the team to avoid that clean 3-0 clean sweep?
I feel sometimes we get lucky and we try to execute the plans. Like I said before, we wanted to put them on the back foot and win this game. So everyone was wanting to win, and when Steve Smith was batting, we had planned him to bowl in the stumps, and he just edged it on the leg side down the leg. So kind of lucky that way, but yeah, I would appreciate that wicket. He's a top player, and to get him early in the innings while defending 302, I think it's a huge wicket. And like I said before, also that winning this game to carry the momentum into the T20 series and defending 302 will be a big boost, I think.
Vishesh Roy.
Yeah, hi Shardul, congratulations on the win. My question would be, what did you think about the score at the midway mark? And you did not feature in the first two ODIs, so did you notice any chinks in the armor of the Australian batsmen that you implemented in this game?
Important was to bowl our length consistently. If you see the series, Australian team has played their pull shots and cut shots a lot, and I just tried to keep them off those shots and make them play in the straighter lines, and it worked for me.
You're not a part of the T20 squad, so coming back, playing one match after such a long time, getting the 3 wickets, playing a major part, like how frustrating is it not to be a part of the T20 international, or is there any feelers that you might be a part since all of them are together in the huddle together? So have you heard anything from management? Like what's the update?
See, I think team was selected long back, and since I'm not part of the T20 series, I wasn't thinking about it at all. But if you see that Team India has come on Australian soil to play some games, and we are looking at it as a six match series instead, 3 ODIs and 3 T20s. So like I said before, that if we win this game, which we did, it's going to be huge going into the T20 series, and from now on we can exploit the situations pretty well. The Australian conditions, I think boys are getting used to it, and T20 being one of the shortest formats, game can go here and there.
Amit Gupta.
शार्दुल, आपको एक डिसेंट रन नहीं मिलता है कभी भी टीम के साथ, लेकिन आप जब भी कभी टीम में आते हैं तो आपका एक नैक है विकेट लेने का। तो आप किस तरह से देखते हैं उसको कि जब भी आपको चांस मिलता है तो क्या रहता है, क्या आपका आइडिया रहता है, और कांस्टेंट रन मिले आपको, इसके बारे में क्या ख्याल है आपका कि आपको 4-5-7 मैच लग के मिले और आप इंजरी रिप्लेसमेंट या कुछ ऐसी रिप्लेसमेंट में नहीं आए?
मुझे लगता है सिलेक्शन तो मेरे हाथ में नहीं है, लेकिन अगर मुझे मौका मिलता है टीम इंडिया को खेलने का, तो इम्पोर्टेंट है कि मैं गेम खेलूं और मैच जिताने की कोशिश करूं। तो मेरा माइंडसेट भी वही रहता है, जब मैं खेलता हूं तो मैच जीतने के लिए खेलता हूं, और ये सब चीज़ों के बारे में नहीं सोचता हूं कि मुझे एक ही मैच मिल रहा है सीरीज में, या फिर मैं किसी इंजर्ड प्लेयर का रिप्लेसमेंट आया उस स्क्वाड में। ये सारी बातें माइंड में प्ले नहीं करती है, टू बी ऑनेस्ट, क्योंकि एक बार आप ग्राउंड में जब जाते हो तो हर कोई प्लेयर के दिमाग में सिर्फ जीतना ही होता है, तो पूरा कंसंट्रेशन, पूरा फोकस गेम जीतने पे है।
Irani Basu, followed by Kushan Sarkar.
Shardul, there are many T20 games, and with 2 T20 World Cups coming up, how difficult is it for you pacers, particularly to adjust to the 50 over format, given that you need to be in the World Cup side? You have to are there different plans for you going? How much does that play in your mind when you're playing 50 over cricket?
Definitely, it's a change of format, and different sort of cricket is being played in 50 overs. Game starts very fast, 10 overs of power play, then slows down in the middle. Then again, if you see batsmen try to attack in 35 to 40 overs, because after 40 overs, the field restrictions open up. You get one extra fielder outside the ring. So game goes up and down, but both are white ball formats. So, as a bowler, I think executing the plans, if you execute your plans in any sort of format, it will be the key. Whether you're playing bilateral or whether you're playing World Cup, it won't matter. You just go out there, give your best, execute your plans, and hope for the best performance.
We will have the final two questions. Kushan Sarkar followed by Suryandan sir.
Shardul, just want to know about, like, it was Natarajan's first international match, and his career has gone like it's been pretty fast. He has been fast tracked. Like, how did you find him, like, in the middle out there, someone making his debut in terms of temperament, and how did you find him doing his bit? Like, he was hit by Maxwell, but he came back well, got a wicket and another wicket. So how do you find him in his first match?
Yeah, he's good. He's done well in the IPL. He executed a lot of Yorkers in the IPL, if you see. And he came back pretty well in this game. That shows he's got a big character. And, we need players like this who can play out there, who can keep coming back. In this form of cricket, like white ball form of cricket, you are going to get hit as a bowler. But what is important is you come back, you bowl again, develop that confidence and take it on from there and there.
Suryandan sir.
शार्दूल, हार्दिकच्या बॅट्समन म्हणून सातत्याबद्दल काय सांगशील आणि जडेजाची आणि त्याची आजची पार्टनरशिप बद्दल काय सांगशील?
Hardik, I think खूप कॉन्फिडंट आहे सिन्स इज कम बॅक फ्रॉम द IPL, आणि त्याच्या बॅटिंग मध्ये ते दिसतंय सुद्धा. अँड जेव्हा पण तो ड्रेसिंग रूम मध्ये असतो, त्याची बॉडी लँग्वेज खूप चांगली आहे इन रिसेंट टाइम्स. आणि जडेजा पण खूप चांगला खेळतो IPL पासनं. त्याची तयारी पूर्ण मी पाहिली होती, कारण आम्ही CSK साठी खेळतो एकत्र. सो कॅम्प मध्ये सुद्धा तो खूप फोकस करून बॅटिंग प्रॅक्टिस करत होता. कोणत्या ओव्हर्स मध्ये रन करू शकतो, कोणत्या एरियामध्ये तो रन करू शकतो, त्याच्या स्ट्रेंग्थ त्यांनी अजून चांगले डेव्हलप केल्यात. सो आय थिंक आता फक्त जी त्यांनी प्रॅक्टिस केली, जी तयारी त्यांनी केली आहे, त्या तयारी मधून तो कॉन्फिडन्स घेऊन फक्त गेम मध्ये जाऊन खेळतोय आणि एक्झिक्यूट करतोय जे त्याला हवंय, जे त्याला शॉट्स पाहिजे ते तो खेळतोय.
मस्त बॉलिंग टाकलीस रे. थँक्यू.
Thank you, Shardul bhai. Thank you, everyone.